Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken salad with chicken thighs. Pat the thighs dry and season them well before cooking. I like to bake or pan-sear for crisp edges and tender meat. While the chicken rests, chop celery, onion, and herbs for texture and brightness. Toss cooled, shredded thighs with mayo, mustard, lemon juice, and seasoning to taste. Serve chilled on bread, greens, or as a snack. In this section, I explain the key cooking tips that keep chicken thighs moist and flavorful. Start with a hot pan to render fat and crisp the skin if using skin-on thighs. Transfer to a warm oven to finish cooking gently and lock in juices. Always rest the meat briefly so juices redistribute, then shred with forks or chop for the perfect salad texture and bite you want. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more easy recipes. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and buying ingredients wisely, which pairs nicely with meal planning humor. I highly recommend checking the description for that book link and special deals if you want it. Thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. In this part, I help you balance creaminess, acidity, and texture for a crowd-pleasing salad. Start with mayo and a splash of mustard, then add lemon juice gradually until brightness sings through. Stir in crunchy celery, a bit of red onion, and fresh herbs like parsley or dill for lift. Taste and adjust salt and pepper, then chill briefly so flavors meld before serving for the best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.